In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the cup and handle chart pattern in TradingView Pro. The cup and handle is a popular bullish continuation pattern used by many traders to spot potential breakout opportunities. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to access and apply this pattern inside TradingView Pro, step by step, so you can start using it in your own chart analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you're analyzing, like a stock, crypto, or forex pair. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the right-hand side of the interface where you'll see different sections and tools. The first thing you want to do is click on the option labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups a lot of its automated tools and indicators that help you analyze price action more efficiently. When you click on Technicals, it will expand a panel or menu that shows you various categories of tools you can use alongside your chart. Inside that Technicals area, you'll see a category called Patterns. Go ahead and click on Patterns. This section is specifically designed to help you find and highlight common chart patterns automatically, instead of having to draw and spot everything by hand. Using these built-in tools can save you a lot of time, especially if you're scanning multiple charts or timeframes. After you click on Patterns, you'll see a list of available pattern types. Look through that list and find the one labeled Cup and Handle Chart Patterns. Once you see it, click on it to turn it on for your chart. When this is enabled, TradingView Pro will start scanning your price data and visually marking any areas where it detects a potential cup and handle formation. These highlighted zones make it much easier to notice the pattern, compare it to the textbook shape, and decide whether it fits your trading plan. Keep in mind that no automated tool is perfect, so it's still important to zoom in, double-check the structure, and confirm it lines up with your own strategy and risk management rules. But having the cup and handle pattern tool turned on gives you a strong starting point for spotting opportunities more consistently. If you want to follow along exactly as I've shown and unlock these features, use the link in my description to sign up for TradingView Pro and get access to the same pattern tools on your own charts.